Hey guys, we are back to you. Here we're talking about some topics you need to know in C++ program. The first using hash include a stream and using namespace std codes. Hash include a stream. The line in the above program that start with hash symbol are called directives and are instructions to the compiler. The word include with hash tells the compiler to include the file stream into the file of the above program. File stream is a header file needed for input-output requirements of the program. Therefore, this file that has been included at the top of the program. For example, in this program, hash include a stream.h code of the top this program that we need to write every programs. And using namespace std after the hash include a stream.h. All the elements of the standard C++ library are declared within std. This line is very frequent in C++ programs that use the standard library. And using integer main and brackets. The word main is the function name. The brackets with main tells the main is function. The word integer before main indicates the integer value is being returned by the function main. When a program is loaded in the memory, the control is loaded and the control is handed over to the function main, and it is the first function to be executed. For example, in this program, we have integer main and brackets, and we have two braces, the first at the beginning and the second at the end. The code is inside the main and using input-output in the program. The following C++ stream objectives can be used for the input-output purpose. Cout console output and cin console input. Cout is used to print the message on the screen in conjunction with the insertion operator. And cin can be used to input value entered by the user for the keyboard. However, the extraction operator is also required to get the type value from cin and store it in the memory location. For example, in this program, we use cin and cout, but always time in cin the operator must be greater in direction and in cout must be smaller in direction. We put the result on letter A through the cin, and by cout print the result A. But anything not defined by the data types, we need to use the double quotes for sentences or anything. For example, here we have the result sentences, but not declared by data types. So you see the double quotes. And anything defined by data types, we don't have to use the double quotes. For example, here letter defined by integer. And using data types in the program. We have many data types in the program. int, short for integer, is a fundamental variables type built into the compiler and used to define numeric variables holding whole numbers, such as 4, 7, and 10. Long integer, long a primitive types will integer, and long or objects, such as 1000 or any number greater than it. Float as a shortest term for floating point by definition is a fundamental data type passed into the compiler that is used to define numeric value with floating decimal points, such as 6.9 and 35.99. Char keyword character keyword is used to declare character types variables. A character variable can store only a single character. Strings are used for storing text. A string variable contains a collection of characters such as name and place or any other things. And comments are included in a program to make it more reliable. If a comment is short and can be accommodated in a single line, then it is started with double slash sequence in the first of the program. If there are multiple lines in comments, it's enclosed between the two symbols, the first at the beginning and second at the end.